In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use customer discounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're offering a special promotion or just looking to provide loyalty discounts to your regular customers, knowing how to apply these discounts directly to your invoices is an invaluable skill for any business owner. So let's jump right in and walk through the process together. First up, you'll need to access QuickBooks Online. So go ahead and click on the Sign In button, which you can typically find on the upper right corner of the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, select QuickBooks Online from the list of options. This is the step where you tell QuickBooks that you're ready to dive into your account. Now carefully type in your credentials, username and password and press continue. Take a moment to make sure your login details are correct. This ensures a smooth entry into your account. Once you're logged into QuickBooks, look towards the left side of your screen and locate the Sales option. Clicking here will guide you into the realm of your financial operations where you can start creating invoices. Your next move is to find the New button, usually displayed prominently. Click on this button and from the drop down menu select Invoice. This action takes you to the invoice creation screen where you begin setting up a new invoice for your customer. At the top of this page there will be a field where you can add your customer information. Begin typing your customer's name and if they're already in your system, their details should auto-populate. If it's a new customer, you can click to add them manually. Once your customer's information is set, it's time to proceed to the next step. Now, get ready to add the product or service that your customer is purchasing. You'll see a section to enter this information, which will typically list all items you have available. Choose the relevant product or service from your list. QuickBooks will automatically fill in the details such as description and price, but feel free to edit these fields if needed. With the customer and product details completed, let's move on to why you're here. Adding the discount. Scroll down to the further sections of the invoice and you will find a spot to enter your discount information. Enter the discount as either a percentage or a dollar amount, depending on what you're offering. Ensure everything is entered correctly, as this will directly reflect on your customer's invoice. After reviewing your invoice for accuracy, your final step is to click on Save and Send. This action saves all of your hard work and dispatches the invoice to your customer via email. Remember to double check that all your changes are saved before you send it off to avoid any misunderstandings. And that's it. You've successfully set up and applied a customer discount in QuickBooks Online. With practice, this process will become second nature, helping you manage your business efficiently and keep your customers happy with great deals. Thank you for watching and happy QuickBooking.